Understanding the Spectrum TV app and how subscription cancellation works is essential for managing your streaming services effectively. The Spectrum TV app is a free service provided to Spectrum TV subscribers. This app allows you to stream live television and access on-demand content on various devices. It's important to understand the distinction between the app itself and your underlying Spectrum TV service. The app is simply a way to access your TV subscription on different devices. When people talk about canceling the Spectrum TV app, they're actually referring to canceling their underlying Spectrum TV service subscription. The app itself cannot be canceled separately. As of September 2025, Spectrum does not offer online cancellation for its services. You cannot cancel your Spectrum TV subscription through their website or mobile app. To cancel your Spectrum TV service, you must contact Spectrum customer service directly by calling their dedicated number at 1-833-267-6094. When you call to cancel, be prepared with your account information for verification purposes. This includes your account number and personal details associated with your Spectrum service. Finally, keep in mind that Spectrum stopped prorating bills in 2019. This means if you cancel your service mid-month, you will not receive a refund for the unused portion of your billing cycle. To cancel your Spectrum TV service, you need to call their customer service directly. Spectrum does not allow online cancellation for TV services. When you call, clearly state your intention to cancel your TV service. Have your account number and personal information ready for verification. After canceling, you must return all Spectrum equipment to avoid being charged. This includes cable boxes, remotes, and any other rented equipment. You have 3 options for returning equipment: ship via UPS, ship via FedEx, or return in person at a Spectrum store. Always keep your return receipts as proof. To avoid unexpected charges, return equipment promptly after cancellation. Spectrum will charge you for any unreturned equipment, which can be expensive. Spectrum does not prorate bills, meaning you won't get a refund for partial months. This makes timing your cancellation important to avoid paying for a full month you won't use. After canceling, carefully review your final bill for any unexpected charges. Contact Spectrum immediately if you notice any discrepancies or unauthorized fees. Remember, keeping detailed records throughout the cancellation process protects you from potential billing issues and ensures a smooth transition away from Spectrum TV service.